Can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Oh, let me go ahead and get done because I'm ready for this Christmas.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my hubby, my baby, my husband doing my makeup. I don't know if you guys saw my first video of him doing that. We weren't even married then. We were just dating. We were just girlfriend and boyfriend, but it's a whole nother top tier of makeup being done now because it's done by my husband. And yeah, so he's pretty much gonna be doing everything. I already prepped and primed my skin off camera, so everything else you will see will be done by my husband. I already set up the stuff that I use. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it.
So right here, I thought it was gonna be more that she wanted me to do with the eyebrows. I was absolutely wrong. So at the end of the video, actually once it was done, I had to go back through and fill them in because they did not look how I thought they were supposed to. I have no idea what this coverage on her eye was. I had no idea what I wanted to do until I saw her bandana. So then I got the idea of the clovers from Bring It On. So that's the idea we went with. I originally didn't know that y'all could see me in the video, like see my face and whatnot, but I guess I didn't pay attention to that at all. She claims I was using the wrong sponge, but I feel like all the sponges look the same, so I don't feel like it matters. I feel like it all come out the same. She looks like a reverse raccoon here. So the left eye is what I got the inspiration from with the clovers. I feel like it came out pretty decent. It's funny because the right eye I couldn't get the oranges to match because I had used like 3 or 4 different oranges to get that color. But I mean, all in all, it came out right, I guess. I feel like color wise, I did a good job. Trying to get all of this in. She was just sitting there laughing and moving around, wouldn't let me get the colors in, but you know, eventually she started cooperating. I had no idea what the fuck I was doing for like 98% of this video. All I knew was colors had to go somewhere. But she's a pretty decent teacher, I guess. But I didn't know everybody could see me in the video. That's interesting. But you know, it was fun talking to y'all. You know, nice little bonding moment between me and my baby. I ain't got too much more to say to y'all. So, enjoy the rest of this video. Keep staying tuned in. Support my baby. And y'all stay prayed up. You feel me?
Merry little Christmas.